Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can delete recent searches in the Google Maps. So, in the first step we have to open the Google Maps and I will look for the Statue of Liberty. How you can see now I have this in the history. So we have to go back and go to the trailing button. Now choose settings. Now choose Maps History. And click here to choose the time range. I will choose today. Now just turn off Google Maps and open it again. How you can see, there is no Statue of Liberty. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.